Good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you about Chapter 2 Inside Our Earth, Class 7, Subject Geography. In the previous classes, I explained you about three major layers of Earth, that is crust, mantle, and core, right? As well as I briefly explained you about three types of rock: igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. Students, today I am going to explain you about sedimentary rocks, its formation, right? Rocks are rolled down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, right? So wind and water are agent for transformation of these small particles. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layer of the rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. For example, now let me give you an example of sedimentary rock. Sandstone is made from grain of sands. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants. These sedimentary rocks means those rocks who contain fossils and plants are known as a biological sedimentary rocks that I will explain you further. Animals and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Sedimentary rocks are formed when sediments is deposited out of air, ice, wind, gravity or water flows carrying the particles in suspension. These sediments is often formed when weathering and erosion break down a rock into loose material in a source area. So students, wind as well as landslide, okay, these are they form sedimentary rocks. Now sedimentary rocks are the product of weathering of pre-existing rocks, transport of the weathering products. Third one, deposition of a material followed, right? Fourth one, compaction, and fifth one, cementation of the sediment to form a rocks. The later two steps are called lithification. Right now, what is lithification? Let me explain you lithification. Now, what is lithification? Lithification, the process whereby sediments compact under pressure, lose fluids, and gradually turn into stone. The final stage in the process of petrification and creation of a sedimentary rock, right? Student, observe this picture. Now how sedimentary rocks form? By weathering, erosion, compaction, deposition, and cementation. So this is picture for your understanding. Students, these are some examples of sedimentary rocks: conglomerate, breccia, sandstone, right? Shale, muscle stone. Okay, so these are some example of sedimentary rocks. Now again, types of sedimentary rocks. In a previous class, I explained you about types of igneous rocks, right? There are two types of igneous rock, intrusive as well as extrusive. Now I am going to tell you about types of sedimentary rocks: common sedimentary rocks, clastic sedimentary rocks, and biologic sedimentary rocks. Now common sedimentary rocks include sandstone, limestone, and shale. Clastic sedimentary rocks contain clastic sedimentary rocks are the group of rocks. And biological sedimentary rocks. I am going to explain you about biological sedimentary rocks in detail. Biologic sedimentary rocks form when living organisms die, pile up, and are then compressed and cemented together. Types of biologic sedimentary rocks include coal, accumulated plant material that is carbon, rich in carbon, or a limestone, and coquina, rocks made up of a marine organism. Marine organism means those organisms which live in ocean. Those are known as a marine organism. These are some example of biologic sedimentary rocks, right? Now student, observe this chart, simplified flow chart for identifying sedimentary rocks. Clastic as well as chemical. In a chemical, react rapidly with HCl, hydrochloride, as well as react W/HCl after being powdered. These are the limestone and dolostone, right? Clastic, let's take an example of clastic, does not react with HCl. Composed grain, composed of a class of a different rocks, right? So you can observe this simplification, right? And you are supposed to copy this chart in your CW. So student, this is all for today. I am going to explain you about metamorphic stone. Partially I am going to explain you about sedimentary rocks in my next class. Thank you so much.